Sean here, Tabor's Travels YouTube channel. You're looking at Lake Crescent boat launch. You can get on the Marymere Falls trailhead from here. We're also going to jump on the Moments in Time trail and the Nature Bridge trail. For a short hike that's not a loop, I got a little confused here. Turns out either way is right. Excuse me, sign. Can you tell me which way to Marymere Falls? It's Marymere, right? Is it that way? Or is it that way? We followed that first sign and hiked all three trails. That would be Moments in Time, Marymere, and Nature Bridge Trail. All three are short hikes. I would say about 3 miles in total. This is the Nature Bridge. It's a log cut in half. Once you cross, you have stairs along Fall Creek. Follow this up to the end, and you have a small loop trail, and you have 2 viewing points for Marymere Falls. I don't think this video does Marymere any justice. This waterfall is about 90 feet tall, so it's kind of large, but it doesn't look so in the video. After that awesomeness, we meander around Moments in Time trail. Wait a second, you see that? I'll show you. Rawr. Do you want to feel tiny, decompress? Walk the trails of Pacific Northwest. Deena should have been a botanist. She's always looking down at the plants. I'm more about the vibe and sniffing the air like a dog. I smelled my new friend before he appeared out of nowhere. Just when you think everyone's mean and angry in this world, a kind soul comes by and just changes your point of view. After hanging out with our buddy, got in the car and headed to Sol Duc Trail. 2 things wrong with this sign. First is they don't spell Sol Duc like that anymore. And after hiking this, it felt like a lot more than 0.8 of a mile. Sol Duc was named by the Quileute Indians. It means sparkling waters or magic waters. I spy a Deena. One thing for sure, PNW in June is wet and wild. What? How'd she get over there? Busted! I told you. I told Deena there could be rainbows and unicorns galloping, and she would have that camera pointing down at flowers. You can hear me in the background. Busted. Joking aside, Deena captures some really cool things. Things I would normally just walk on past. I asked this photographer if he would like to see a photo I took of him, and he said, "Oh, no thank you. I think you would have liked it." So what do you think? You like this place? I love it. I'm just going to do what I do best. Lay here on the log and take it all in. Really, that's something I do. I could just lay down in the middle of a trail like an old dog, and Deena's like, "Oh no. We're going to be on this hike for a long time."